Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to unbox your Tomica to turn it into something like this with the plastic removed only on one side while the rest of it is still intact. So firstly, you'll need a Tomica, and then secondly, you will need a pen knife, and third, you will need something with a flat surface like this butter knife, or you can also use the metal ruler over here. So I prefer the butter knife over the metal ruler, so let's put that aside for now. Hand knives are very sharp, so you have to be very careful with it. Slowly push it out until the desired length, and then just put it at this angle. Slowly and carefully swipe it down until this point. So notice that I stopped over here because I'm gonna turn it over right now to show you that actually it has some form of flap over there. So we're gonna stop there, flip it over the other side, and carefully, slowly slip it down. So same thing as before, you want to cut until this flap over here and stop, and then we are going to flip it up and cut over this side also very slowly. Notice here that I have some resistance because I have accidentally cut the inside of it. So when you are cutting on it on your own, you have to be very careful. So if you feel some resistance, go very slow or take it out and then cut again. I didn't get a clean cut on the other side, so I'm gonna slowly cut over from here. So right now, after cutting 3 parts of the box, you are left with this flap over here, and you can either cut it off or you can just choose to leave it. But personally, I will just cut it off because someday somehow that flap is gonna take out on its own. So firstly, position it like that, slowly cut it out towards the other side, not towards you, and then turn it over, cut it off here, and you will get the box. So notice that I made a small little cut, so be very careful when you are cutting on your own. Once done, always keep your pen knife, and for this flap, always recycle it. Okay, once you're ready, you can take your butter knife, stuff it in, push it towards you like this, and then just give it a small little flip. Okay, so like what I shown before, stuff it in, push it towards you, and then give it a small little flip, and there you have it. You can open your box intact. So right now you're gonna take out your Tomica and enjoy it. So take it out of the plastic, and you can actually see that I have over here a very small cute little GTR petrol car. So if you have very sharp eyes, you will actually notice that this is not the petrol car that comes with this box. This is actually the Capsule series Nissan GTR petrol car. It does not have any suspension, comes in plastic, but it's still very fun to play with. So this is then the actual GTR that came with this box, and as always, if you like this video, give it a like and subscribe to my channel, share with your friends, and be careful when you are opening your box with the pen knife. Alright, so bye!